a quick and simple video on solving two-step inequalities. It'll be quick and simple because you already have a skill for solving two-step inequalities. That's because it's just like solving two-step equations. Check it out. We have 2x plus 3 equals 11. And we can also express it, or let's also express it as a inequality equals 11. Okay? We can take all the same steps. We subtract 3 from both sides, whether it's an equation or an inequality. We get 2x equals 11 minus 3 is 8. 2x is greater than 8. 2x. We divide both sides by 2. And then we do it on the inequality side as well. And we find that x equals 4. And we find that x is greater than 4. So it's the same set of steps. Let's work through another example or two. So I'm going to give you 2 more examples of solving two-step inequalities. Then I'll give you a practice set. Again, this should be well within your wheelhouse. If you've gotten to this point, I believe in your ability to solve these problems. So we have 2x plus 4 is greater than 12. Okay. We're just going to subtract 4 from both sides, and we get 2x is greater than 12. Well, now it's a one-step inequality. We divide both sides by 12, and we get x is greater than 6. Let's do one more example. X divided by 3 minus 2 is less than or equal to 4. All right, this time will be no different, right? The division doesn't change what our steps are. Still, we're going to multiply both sides by 3 to clear the fraction. This will become minus 6 is less than or equal to 12. We'll add 6 to both sides, and we'll find that x is less than or equal to 18. All right, now there's one key point. You'll notice something about these equations. There are no negative symbols. Or x, we're never dividing by a negative. And that's for a reason. A special rule will apply when we divide by negative numbers, which we will be working with soon in a lesson soon to come. Let me set up a set of practice problems for you to work through on your own. Here's a practice set for you to work through, and I'll quickly work through them myself. All right, I'm sure you handled that phenomenally. We're going to go ahead and approach this like a two-step equation. Subtract by 5 on both sides. Then we get 3x is less than 15, and we will find that x is less than 5. We'll pop right over here to pink. We'll multiply both sides by 4. Try to be very economical with our space. Multiply both sides by 4. We get x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 20. We subtract 4 from both sides, and we find that x is greater than or equal to 16. All right, I'm sure you are completely picking up on how I'm solving these. Let's do 2 more. We'll add 6 to both sides, and we can get a little crazy with our space now. Got a whole page to work with. We'll divide both sides by 2, and we find that x, I can do a little better than that, x is less than or equal to 8. All right, last one here. let's subtract 10 from both sides. Actually, just for the fun of it, because I'm so sure you did phenomenally on the other problems, we're going to divide both sides by 5 first. We're going to get a little complicated just for the fun of it. X plus 2 is greater than 5. And then we can subtract 2 from both sides. Subtract 2 from both sides. And we get x is less than 3. Sorry, x is greater than 3. Got to make sure you understand the greater than or less than. X is greater than 3. So, as promised, that was a quick video, and hope to see you in the next one.